Welcome to our comprehensive update on Neuralink's groundbreaking first human trial. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, aims to merge human cognition with advanced technology through brain-machine interfaces, or BCIs. This revolutionary technology has the potential to transform the lives of individuals with severe neurological conditions. In January 2024, Neuralink achieved a significant milestone by performing its first human implantation at the Neurological Institute in Phoenix, Arizona. The patient, a 29-year-old quadriplegic man from Texas, underwent a pioneering surgery to have the N1 implant placed in his brain. The N1 implant, a small coin-sized device, reads and transmits neural signals wirelessly, enabling the patient to control devices purely through thought. The initial surgery was successful, and the patient was discharged the following day with no immediate complications. However, the journey was not without its challenges. Shortly after the surgery, a malfunction was detected in the implant. The threads of the N1 device began retracting from the patient's brain, potentially compromising its functionality and safety. This issue posed a serious concern, as it could lead to the implant detaching completely. The Neuralink engineering team responded swiftly to this challenge. They identified that the problem was due to a software glitch affecting the signal processing of the N1 implant. By updating the software and recalibrating the device, they were able to stabilize the threads and prevent further retraction. Continuous monitoring ensured the patient's health remained stable throughout this process. Following the resolution of the malfunction, the patient has shown remarkable progress. Elon Musk reported that the patient is now able to control a computer mouse purely through thought, demonstrating the N1 implant's potential to restore lost functions in individuals with neurological impairments. This ability to interact with digital devices marks a significant milestone in the practical applications of Neuralink's technology. As Neuralink continues to recruit more participants for its prime study, the company aims to refine the technology further and gather comprehensive data on its safety and efficacy. Each trial and each iteration of the device brings Neuralink closer to its vision of merging human cognition with advanced AI. This technology holds promise not only for treating neurological conditions, but also for enhancing human capabilities. The success of this initial human trial is a crucial step forward for Neuralink. Despite the initial challenges, the swift resolution and the patient's positive progress underscore the potential of this revolutionary technology. Stay tuned as we continue to follow Neuralink's journey towards a future where the boundaries between humans and machines blur, opening new frontiers in neurological treatments and human augmentation. Thank you for watching our comprehensive update on Neuralink's first human tester. For more detailed information, refer to our sources from NBC News, USA Today, The Independent, and the Neuralink blog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge technology and innovations.